This is a new inverter motor fridge. They just shipped it out and two people had to help carry it inside because it weighs 95 kilograms. This is a no frost quad door fridge and it is sold under multiple names. For example, this one is from Arctic, which is a Romanian company, but you can also find it under the Beko brand name, which is a lot more expensive because the front isn't made out of this inox, but it is made out of glass. Because this is a newer type inverter fridge, it doesn't have any radiators on the back. This is an older non-inverter fridge, and as you can see, it has a big radiator that goes on the back. On the back, you can find two wheels at the bottom, so it is easier to transport. And at the front, the legs are made out of plastic and are adjustable. And right now, we are leveling it. This fridge model is made by the Chinese company TCL, and it is also available under the TCL name, with the same exact specs. In the top compartment is the fridge. This is how it looks. And in the bottom, it has a freezer. Sadly, in the bottom compartment, it has no lighting, only in the top. Now, let's plug it in. The specifications say that the fridge should be only at about 39 decibels. Let's see. Let's go around and hear if up close it is louder. It is a tiny bit louder. You can find more information and the specs of the fridge online, and in the older European classification, this used to be an A-class fridge in power consumption, but in the new, much stricter classification, it is only Class E. Here, from the panel outside, you can edit the temperatures. The manufacturer recommends that in normal temperatures, you should set the fridge to 4 degrees and the freezer to -18. They also give 2 spare rubber parts which are used to suppress the sound if you slam the door shut. They are these right here. And they also give a few washers so you can adjust the height of the doors so they match. The fridge also comes with an ice cube tray and an egg holder. This is the energy classification. This is where you adjust the temperature, and to adjust it you first have to unlock it by holding here for 3 seconds, and with the fridge, the maximum degrees is 8 and the minimum is 2. And for the freezer, the highest is -14. You can cycle through them. And the lowest that you can set it to manually is -22. And if you press this button, there is also 4 modes: Eco, Vacation, Super Freeze, and the normal, where you can adjust it yourself. And if you leave it alone for around 5 seconds, it will relock itself, and then you cannot adjust the temperature. As you can see, it is now locked, and if you try to press the buttons, it will show that you cannot do that. The fridge has been running for about half an hour, and the sides are noticeably warm to the touch. They claim that the front is fully fingerprint proof, but if you touch it a lot, then it will start to show. And the sides are just regular old paint. After a while, if you don't touch it, the screen will turn off, and to turn it on you need to either touch it or open any of the fridge doors. For example. It takes around a minute or two for it to stop showing.